When it happened, we didn't understand at first that we had become the last ones still working on schedule. Contact with Earth was lost at 1432 Greenwich Mean Time. No warning, no distress signal. Just silence. At first, we thought it was a routine failure. Someone always answers from Earth. A controller, an engineer, someone. This time, no one. We checked the antennas, rebooted the systems, switched to backup frequencies. Then, we did it all again. Slower, more carefully. When the signal doesn't come back, you stop following procedures and start acting on inertia. Because admitting there's a problem means stopping, and stopping is not an option. We passed over the planet's night side as we had hundreds of times before. And that's when we saw the flash. Very bright, too precise. Not like lightning, not like fire. A few seconds later, another one, in a different place. Then another. From orbit, you see things that can never be seen from the surface. We saw lines, thin, glowing trails rising through the atmosphere. Too slow for meteors, too straight for natural phenomena. They were launches, and then the flashes began appearing simultaneously, across different parts of the planet, all at once. In space, there is no sound, so everything unfolded in absolute silence. No thunder, no shockwave, only light. And there was nothing we could do. We kept moving along our orbit at nearly 8 kilometers per second. Systems functioning, experiments running, timers counting down. The universe did not react at all to what was happening below. That was the strangest feeling, as if the catastrophe had happened to only one planet, while everything else remained the same. After several passes, the flashes stopped. Completely. That was what frightened us most. The night side of Earth no longer glowed with cities. The radio spectrum went quiet. The familiar noise of civilization disappeared. The planet had fallen silent. The next morning, we still began our scheduled systems check. Filters, pressure, temperature, oxygen reserves. Because if you stop doing your job, the only thing left is to look down. And looking down is too hard. We stopped saying today or tomorrow. There was only, is the system working or not? Are there enough resources or not? Is the station alive or not? Up here in orbit, humanity suddenly became very small. The size of a few modules, a few hands, a few voices recorded in a log. Our mission used to be to explore space. Now, it is to preserve Earth. We began recording everything. How to purify water, how to grow food, how to repair equipment, what human speech sounds like, what laughter sounds like, in case someday someone needs it again. We transmit a signal on all frequencies, a short message.
Orbital station calling. If you can hear us, respond.
We don't know if anyone is listening, but as long as the signal is leaving the antenna, the story is still continuing. From this altitude, Earth still looks beautiful. Clouds are moving. Oceans reflect the light. The atmosphere glows at sunrise. You can't see a catastrophe from 400 kilometers up. Sometimes it feels like they didn't disappear. We did. The station is still in orbit. We are still working. The systems are still sustaining life, which means the experiment called humanity is not over yet. We are simply, temporarily, without an answer.